Hi everyone. Now we're here at the mall, just doing some shop and
have a little shop.
Yeah, little shop. And my wife get her hair done. Look, spent $160.
It was not $160, honey.
Yeah, good. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas time. If she spend more money, nothing for me, it's alright.
What are you talking about?
I'm joking guys, I'm so joking. Now we're here at Kmart doing the shop. We're ready for tonight. 21st birthday.
It's so hot. My face is so red. Let's go now before we spend more money.
Yeah.
We got
We are
Siaosi.
going home now.
We got Siaosi some taro cash.
Yeah, ooh.
And very expensive.
Very expensive t-shirt. And
Look, kamara Siaosi le koe ofuangi me kong ofie me ya ke mato big W. Me kong karo kamara. Ale varusfulu le kauro of.
say hi.
Yo guys, how are you today? This is UNHCR. We're out here with two friendly people that's gonna help us. Are you from where?
Samoa.
Hey, my brother.
Alright guys, we're in a hurry, so we gotta go. And that was my defect. And yeah guys, honestly.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah boys, me kong ka.
Now guys, look, they buying thing and then complain again.
No, I'm not complaining, honey. I'm just telling them. I'm just telling
I'll
them.
just tell her to leave
I'm
it.
just telling them.
Don't
I'm
buy
just
anything.
telling them we're next level.
I'll just
We're
tell her.
next level. We're going
Guys, I'll just tell her to leave. Don't buy
No. Bye. We're just about ready now, and I love this dress. Okay, probably not the lighting, but look. I just love it so much. And my man over here, our room is so messy just trying to get ready. But we just bought this, this is a shirt we got from Taro Cash. And it is amazing, I love it so much.
Yeah.
And
so
his
nice.
boat shoes. Whoop whoop, go baby. Okay guys, we're here at the birthday and it looks amazing. So props to Molly and the girls. I mean, we were helped too, but only last night. And I got my girls here. Salina. There's Salina y los Dino. And another Salina Junior.
Fixing my eyelashes, falling off.
And it's so pretty. So amazing. So people are just rocking up. You know when they say 6 o'clock, they actually mean 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30.
No. Oh, Mona, you're so cute.
So, and they even got a photo booth. We are all taking a photo in that photo booth.
We're gonna be next in line.
Oh, do you want to take us another photo of us? Okay.
I can even take one with your camera as well.
So while we're waiting, I want to tell you guys a story about when I was getting ready. So I bought these fake eyelashes to specifically wear tonight, and then I was running really late and I was trying to glue them on, and I never wear fake eyelashes, and then I was like sweating, and then I was like, oh my gosh. Then I did the unthinkable and asked Siaosi to help me. And I gave him the glue, and I was like, just take a bit of the glue and put it on the eyelash and then push it down on my eyelid. And he glued my eyelid. And then I was closed and it felt like I couldn't open. He almost glued my eyelid shut. So I just got so annoyed and I ripped it off, and I didn't end up wearing it. But I still look cute though. Guys, we have Vailima here. Since when? I will pay you $50 if you get up and start dancing.
I like ugly dancing.
All the way at the front over there in the middle.
Yeah? Are you serious?
Oh, will you do it?
Say holy Bible. only Bible.
My only Bible.
Hey.
Will you get up all the way? For 1 minute. You have to fully dance though. Hola. No, you have to do like body rolls. No, you have to do like body rolls. Oh, you're bad, like body Go to our pay $50 if you go to body rolls. You won't even do it. Hello, Eddie. Hi, Eddie.
Look over here.
Look. All right. Bro, it's too squishy. I got 200 times. Touch to start.
Don't cover your head, bro. This is safe. Wait, where is it gonna print off to? There's another ticket.
Are you crying, girl? Rosie, we're getting our food now. You gotta get them greens in you. We got some stuffs here. What's that? Chicken?
Asian chicken.
Oh, can you put a thing on my thing?
Do I want to?
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I look like a big pig. I promise you, I'm not a pig.
I say eat up.
Yeah. Just a crunch, I think.
What is this? Can we just take a boat?
Hello guys. We're having some beer. Hello.
Go, Siaosi, dance. Go dance.
Bà đi đâu chứ vậy? Bà đi ăn bao nó bà lắm.
Get it, girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, God. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. That's what you got the cake with.
21 years of life he's blessed me with. So first of all, I'd like to thank Parker and wife for coming out here tonight. I'd like to thank my family that came not only from in-state but out-of-state as well. And thank you guys for the efforts to come down here and celebrate this special occasion with me. And a huge thank you to my friends as well that came out as well. I'd like to thank everyone that came out here last night who we actually did leave till around 3 AM just setting up the hall. I'd like to thank you guys for coming and helping me, and for those who came today as well to help me set up. Special thanks to my sister Nazarene, who pretty much paid for all of this. And also happy 1 year engagement to me and my partner then.
Daniel, you don't need to stand up, please. Please go back. For those who don't know Daniel, this is the bloke that Sarah's going to enjoy her next chapter of her life. Adulthood. Daniel, at the birthday boy.
And the night continues, guys. We are still going. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Can you see? It's 10:33 and we're still dancing. Yeah, this is you, Sia. Get it, girl. Oh, it's blurry. Yeah, I'm recording you, girl. There's a birthday girl. Everyone comment down below. Say happy birthday, Sarah.
Hey, Victoria's followers. You can pop that up.
No, you look so beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Get it, girl. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh. You're so pretty. Siaosi's inside. And this is my cousin girl. She's wearing my jacket that goes with my outfit. Salina y los dinos. Hello, little baby. You better dance, girl. Go dance with her, free fango with her. Swirl around. Well, it's Zumba. Oh, yeah. You have to be the Zumba instructor. You're the Zumba instructor.